Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional or aesthetic-looking self-care thumbnail for your self-care videos. First, create an account on Canva. Canva is a great site for beginners who don't have any experience with design or creativity. It's really easy to use, and all the features are easy to understand as well. After setting up your account, go to the search bar and type Self-Care Thumbnail. You will get plenty of options ranging from minimal to professional, aesthetic, or cozy. You can scroll down and explore even more options. If you want to create self-care social media posts or stories, those are available too. You can see there are so many options. Just pick one you like. I'll choose this one because it looks good and aesthetic. Click on it and you'll see even more choices. There are hundreds available. Just pick one that matches your expectations. Now customize the template. Click on it and you'll get access to make any modifications you want. For example, if I want to change the text, go to the text, double-click on it, and you can add your own text like this. If you want to change the font color, there's an option for that. You can change the text color, and there are options for bold, italic, underline, and more. Just try them out. They're really easy to understand. If you want to replace the image in your template, go to the Upload section and upload it from your computer. After uploading, it will appear here, and just drag and drop it in. You can adjust it by double-clicking on it, and you'll be able to adjust its position as well. Similarly, if you want to replace this image with your own, just follow this process. Right now, the background isn't removed, which is why it looks like this. But if you remove the background, then it will be similar to this one. In the same way, if you want to change the image for this section, just drag and drop it. Just drag and drop. So that's how you can play around with whatever you like. Modify anything you want. Add any text. Include your own details. Write your own words. Add your own branding, and so on. After you've finished creating or modifying everything, please double-check your thumbnail for any mistakes. Once you're sure it's all set, you're ready to export it. To export, go to the Share option. Then go to the Download section. Since this is a thumbnail, it should be in PNG format, but if you want to export it in a different format, those are available as well. Just download it, and you're ready to upload your thumbnail for your videos. It's really simple. This way, you can easily modify pre-made templates created by professionals. It's easy to use and very beginner-friendly. So check out the Canva website and try making your own thumbnail in just a few minutes. I'll see you in the next video.